You know, Hindi में एक word है called ठहराव. It doesn't have an exact translation in English, but the word that comes close is stillness. और अगर कोई एक्टर है जिसमें ये क्वालिटी कूट के भरी है, then that's Pankaj Tripathi. Hi guys, just finished watching Gunjan Saxena on Netflix and here's my quick review. Based on a real life story of Flight Lieutenant Gunjan Saxena, India's first female pilot in combat, a Kargil war hero, and the first woman to receive the Shaurya Chakra. This film is a story of how her sheer passion and love for flying gets her through the struggles and tribulation that being the first woman Air Force pilot brings with it.
फिर देखेंगे बाद में।
दादा आपने आर्मी ज्वाइन किया ना, सिर्फ मैं पायलट नहीं बन सकती।
One fact we know that the world is optimized for men. It was even more so in the 1990s when Air Force took a bold step of opening its doors for women to be pilots. So even without a movie, we all know that it would have been a struggle for Gunjan Saxena, or for that matter any woman to be the first in anything. This is true not just in India but also around the world. It is this particular aspect, this core idea, this message that the movie is trying to drive home. Director Sharan Sharma and writer Nikhil Mehrotra are not trying to make a war film here. Their sole focus is the journey of Gunjan Saxena, and this focus works for the film. They don't depict men as villain here. They are just being men. It's a boys' club, like most professions back then were. They have no idea how to deal with a female doing the same thing as they are, let alone someone doing it slightly better.
क्या दिख रहा है?
Air Force officers.
10 Air Force officers और एक लड़की। फिर से।
The creators tell this story and deliver this message with minimum fuss. So there is no grand chest beating, Tej Bhakti or Bharat Mata Ki Jai. Sure, there is drama and rousing background music which accentuates every low and high points, cueing the audience to laugh, cry and feel proud. But all of this is elegantly done and right amount. Having seasoned actors like Vineet Kumar Singh, Manav Vij and Pankaj Tripathi is half the battle won. Pankaj in particular is splendid as the silent but strong father. He has a way of delivering the most impactful lines in the most casual ways.
आप मेरी तरफ हैं कि उसकी?
हम तो इस तरफ हैं।
A skill which is rare to find. His character serves as the spine of the drama, propelling the narrative forward, guiding Gunjan to fight her own battles both within and outside. Never demanding or dominating, like say Mahavir Singh from Dangal. He is a treat to watch. Which brings me to Janhvi Kapoor, who plays the central character Gunjan Saxena. No matter where you are in the nepotism debate, you have to agree that this is a praiseworthy performance. Sure, there are many areas that she has to work on and there are many scenes in which she falters, like that scene in which she has to go and give a peace of mind to her group captain. A seasoned actor would have nailed that scene. But for her second film, Janhvi Kapoor is excellent. All in all, Gunjan Saxena is an inspirational tale, a celebration of the undying human spirit to never give up. It's a film that will leave you with an emotional high. So on the binge meter, I would rate it as surely binge-worthy. Catch Gunjan Saxena on Netflix. If you like the content that I put out, then please share and like this video. It helps. Subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media to get the latest reviews and recommendations. I put out a new video every week. And as usual, thank you for all the love. Bye bye.